Hi, you beautiful people. I'm back at it again. Say something, Soul Demon. Say your catchphrase. That's a great catchphrase.
I know, right? Thank you.
Bluefish, say your catchphrase.
Pizza Hut. More like Pizza Hut.
That's a bad catchphrase.
Boy, stop. God
Let me say
damn
my
it,
catchphrase.
throwing rocks at me.
Pizza Hut. More like pizza butt.
Ooh. I
You
found
stole
one.
my catchphrase, you.
No, I didn't. You said Pizza Hut, more like Pizza Hut. I said Pizza Hut, more like pizza butt.
Pizza Butt. More like Pizza Hut.
Fine, I'll change my catchphrase. Wanna know my secret?
yeah. It's a classic game right there.
Yep, classic.
Classic. We only play classics.
Yep.
Siren.
It seems like
Siren.
there's a lot less
Sigh.
abundance of sticks now.
Suicide Squad, classic, never played it.
Suicide Squad. Kill the Justice League. Classic. Never played it.
Yeah, 'cause who wants to play that game? Tell me,
Booty
Bluefish.
Calls. Classic.
Booty
Never
Calls,
played it.
classic. Never played it.
Siren. It's alright.
Siren, more like Psychon.
I'm being tag teamed down by cannibals right now.
Listen, you're always talking about how you're the like god at killing cannibals, so you got this, buddy.
I know, and I just did.
Hey, you see?
Any ran
Ooh,
away.
blueberries. I bought
He ran so far away.
I didn't have blueberries for like years,
One snuck up behind me.
right? And I was on a hike. And I found some
died.
blueberries, some wild blueberries.
Oh god, David,
And I
David,
ate it.
died. Oh god, David, you
What?
got so much faster now. Quick.
What?
You got so much faster now. Get over here now. I'm already
What
almost
happened?
Dead. Just get over here.
Why?
Because I'm dead.
Can't. Well, you're gonna respawn anyways. I'm coming though. Coming anyways. Damn it! Why did you give up?
I didn't. You
Oh
died that
damn!
much
That's
faster.
really fast.
Oh, why am I here? Why am I tied up at the house?
Is this a cannibal base? Is that what?
Hi.
Is,
Did you make your face on a cannibal face?
is this is there muddy cannibal bases now? Is that why there's so many cannibals?
Oh my god, David.
Know what? Great design. Because we can deal with the cannibals. And we get all these bones for bone armor.
We're
And
so
we
dumb.
respawn here. Nah. Well, actually, I'm done. Because I'm the one that put it here.
Alright, let me
I'm
boot
not
up
wasting
since
my
the
duct
forest
tape.
again.
Oh yeah, his game crashed. Hashtag BrokeBoy in the comments.
Hashtag I only have my computer for 2 years. It's already breaking down.
Yup, hashtag had my computer for like 7 years, just starting to break down. Things just aren't meant to last these days.
It's because you reset your computer like every year.
No, I don't. Liar.
I'm almost dead again.
Want some meds?
Yes, please.
Okay, come here.
Pizza Hut. More like
Okay. Hold on. Pop some pills.
shoot. My audio's coming out from my speakers.
Can hear
It's
it.
not good.
I can't sit.
Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me
Pizza
change. It
Hut.
won't let me change it.
More like pizza. Ow.
Hold on.
Little stinker.
The cannibals do a lot more damage.
Yeah, I'm almost dead.
Or maybe it's just because we're used to having all this equipment and stuff.
Yeah, we usually do have like the best armor in the game.
Yeah, we're usually like
Guns.
constant. We're usually like constant.
Alright,
Ow!
Skip hatch, skip hatch, skip hatch.
can you re-invite me?
Yeah, hold on.
Ooh, Mike Tyson, Mike Tyson, Mike Tyson. Hold on. Ah, damn, I missed.
I'm gonna miss.
Nice, you far now.
Okay, let me invite him. Don't let me die. Man, I feel bad. I feel like that scream was too loud for the video. It's only been 5 minutes I've been recording for. No, do I have any meat? That meat looks really old. This isn't meat.
Alright,
Ah, wait, I forgot.
no, it's just dried. It's just dried.
Can't. Oh, I can't put dried meat back on the drying rack. So can I keep dried meat in my inventory for like ever?
Mhm.
That's fun. I mean, it's not gonna taste good, but
Yeah, you ready to go on a mission?
well, we should wait for bluefish.
No, I'm gonna take a little bit.
Alright,
We
let's
should
go
wait
then.
for bluefish.
They said he's not taking it, so.
Okay, but if we find something cool, then he's gonna have to go back and get it. So we should wait. It'd be a nice suggestion. Oh, did you find the cult people on the way here?
No, I didn't go that
Oh.
way. Where did you get that?
I found it. My video. Did not watch my last video?
Yeah.
I think I found the beach. I don't remember where. Okay, this song sucks. Oh yeah. Wait, put this down right here. Oh, oh. What? No. I can't play the radio.
And ran, we ran so far. That's way too left around. My
Oh.
bad.
How do I change the track?
Ah, damn it. Wait,
There we go.
I want to try to hit myself with the spear.
What?
I want to try to hit myself with the spear.
Go far! What is that?
Oh,
What?
Gianni, that's Gianni, that's Gianni.
That's who?
That's Gianni. Look, get in the base,
Why?
They're coming after us.
Get in! Nah, they ain't gonna do nothing. They ain't gonna do nothing. What are you gonna do?
Nothing.
See, look, they're just gonna come save us. Help! Help! See, nothing happened.
Shit.
What? Don't kill him. We're not enemies with them. We're enemies with the other ones.
Buka juk. Oh
They
god,
might-
his face is messed
Oh
up.
man, are you okay? Ah!
I'm dead. he hits hard. He hits hard.
Give me my. Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot. I forgot about you. I almost let you die. Bluefish, what are you watching?
Video game donkey.
I can't pick up my... Come here. You're coming to me, boy. Did you take my spear?
I don't think I did I?
I heard a pickup sound.
I watched the
I
MTV
don't think I
Cribs
did
of Jackass.
Watch the what?
The MTV Cribs of Jackass.
They have that?
Yeah, they made an episode with the Jackass cast.
I'm gonna watch the Jackass TV show. I
And
can't even...
my boy Chris Pontius lives in his car.
That's fun.
And he's like, yo, 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 check out my crib. So you got the living room here, the restroom, you got the bedroom.
That's cool. I'm gonna
Yeah.
die from thirst.
Like everybody was living like in a
okay.
shitload house. Like it was just so bad.
I wanna go to the beach.
And then went to Bam, and then Bam was
Let's
living
go.
like in a multi-billionaire mansion with a like basement with an arcade and like 3,000 cars.
Well, I got a soda.
God dang it!
An energy drink?
What? What?
It's an energy drink?
He did give me an energy drink. Did you not mean to?
Huh?
What about the energy drink? Do you need pills?
No, I'm good.
Okay. I was alone, but you gave me an energy drink, so I had to ask. This is a great song. It's by Mozart.
It actually is. It's really nice and soft.
I don't know who it's by.
I don't know either.
I'm gonna say it's by Mozart. Because it's funny.
Okay, they fixed the berries. The berries actually give some stuff now.
Oh, finally. Remember when I told you that and you're like, nah. Oh boy, I'm gonna get the traps.
Oh, what,
There's a leaf trap now. Was that there before?
Oh, the tripwires are back.
Did they not have that before?
No, they didn't have the tripwires before.
Oh, I guess I don't know. I can't make them. I'm not wasting my Molotov. Oh boy, it's almost nighttime.
Yep.
I call Big Spoon.
Okay.
I call Big Spoon. Not even funny. Okay, yeah. Bluefish, are you loading?
Yep.
Okay. Because we need to go get supplies soon.
I told you to go without me.
Oh my! I didn't even hit it! I didn't hit it, I swear!
Oh my god!
I didn't hit it!
David!
I hit like here! Oh god, I did hit it! I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
What happened?
I broke the radio. Okay,
How?
what was that helicopter about and why did it stop right above us?
That's GNU's helicopter.
Why does he have a helicopter? Why is he on this infested island if he has a helicopter?
That is true.
Like, he could be anywhere else on the planet, but he decides to stay here on this island with the creatures and everything. And where if you don't get in like a box, you die. Why risk it? Why don't you just leave? I'm just saying. Doesn't make sense to me. Remember we made a stone house on a
Mhm.
possible four player game that was never four player because Zero never bought Sons.
Yeah, I think I did.
Yeah, that was fun. I don't know if you remember or not. I'm gonna get some
I,
water.
I we
Entertain the
ha-
crowd.
are you
we
recording still, by the way?
I am. You entertain the crowd. Okay, you better do like some funny skit thing. I don't care. Do something funny.
Okay.
okay. Oh boy, I'm loading in the helicopter. All right, guys.
Ow, I dropped a spear on my head.
What do you call two ducks and a cow? Quacker and milk.
Stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab.
Let me see. I wouldn't buy anything with Velcro. It's a total ripoff. uh, I might crash. Ah,
Ooka booka dooka, ooka booka dooka.
ooh. I think I'm black. Oh
Think you're
shit.
what?
So I think I'm black.
Hey,
Yeah, I am black, I think.
well, get over
Shit,
here.
no,
Come on.
I don't want to be a slave.
Okay, you can't say that here, bro. You cannot say that here.
Please.
We're not racist here, buddy.
Hold on. Um, big rock. Use it as a weapon. Um, did I equip my bag? I did.
I bet you did nothing at I bet you just sat there and didn't say anything.
I did say something.
I said something.
Was it entertaining, Bluefish?
No.
Oh man, I'm keeping it in there. This is your fault.
Damn.
Okay, let's go to sleep, and then I'm ending the video. I
Actually,
call
I'm
Big
in.
Spoon.
oh,
Ah
okay, we can't
man,
sleep.
now we can't
What?
sleep.
I kind of
Why
want to
can't
turn
y'all
big head.
sleep?
I kind of want to turn big head mode off, but I think it's gonna look weird if I turn it off.
What do you
Why
mean
can't
it
y'all
would look
sleep?
weird?
Because I was used to the big head, it does look weird.
Bluefish, you better hope you don't get caught
I like the big
Caught
head. The
with
big head is
what?
funny.
by a scary monster.
I think I'm black.
I think you're black.
Skin color is black.
I'm white. What do I look like, Soul Demon?
You look like your name is Chris Redfield.
Yay! Ooh. Do you have any logs? No.
Head ass.
I'm gonna make a bench.
Wait, how do you open your GP?
Oh,
Oh, never mind. Never mind.
I can't see.
Alright.
It's the wrong button.
It's
There we
just
go.
like taking a hike.
Man, you guys can't be entertaining.
I
Still caught up
can't.
about that. Cutting down a tree tonight. Get your booty on the floor
My ass
tonight.
itches while I'm getting poison ivy.
What do you guys think of the new Fortnite update?
What's in front of it?
Oh, they added the season 2 of Rock Band mode.
Wait, for real?
Yeah, and it's like some Lady Gaga themed.
Oh
And the weekend's out of the shop.
no. Oh no. Oh
Do they have Lincoln Park yet?
Nope. Get this body away from him before he eats it.
Huh?
You're gonna eat the body if I leave it by you.
I'm gonna eat the body?
Yes, you're like a cannibal.
Oh wait, I wonder, does the
Come sit down.
does a cannibal meat give me sickness?
Come sit down. Come sit. What up, man? How you been? I need to end this video. It's 20 minutes.
I've been good.
Say
I've been
goodbye.
good. Goodbye, guys.